There's a train. It's about a quarter of a mile long. Pretty cool. It's number 403. That's just the number of the train. About a quarter of a mile down there. And hey everyone, this is where I work. This is the first thing I do this morning. In the mornings, come in, make sure everything is picked up, everything's clean, make sure the windows are washed, make sure you can see pretty clear out all the windows, check the lights, we got half of them on right now, check the trash cans, just do some checks, close up these doors. There we go. Come in here, this is where I work mostly. All our food in the freezer. Got my register right there. Drinks. Got your popcorn. Chips, pretzels, hot dogs, corn dogs, nachos, ice cream. Good snack food. Then we got another car just like that one. Straight down there. Got your bathrooms. We got to get those clean. And just doing my last checks on everything. We got to break down these boxes, clear our trash cans, make sure everything looks good for the customer. And that's it for in here. It's pretty close to Halloween, so getting set up for trick-or-treaters going on the train. They can come and get some candy, as long as they say trick-or-treat. Got all my paper stuff up here. And that's about it. Skeleton guy. See how it goes. I was supposed to dress up today in a kid-friendly costume, but I guess I didn't get the memo, so I think I have to wear a dinosaur costume. It'll be great. They're gonna put fake snow?
We don't have real snow.
No, they're gonna put real snow. They're gonna go to Alaska and truck real snow in here. Yep, it's gonna be great. Thing's pretty cool. It's a water line. It's all hand carved by prisoners. All the tunnels, pretty cool. It's class 4 rafting. Probably not right now, but during the summer it definitely is.
Jeremy. Hey, do you need any help down there?
Oh, he's good.
Okay.
What's done?
Bighorn Sheep past the Vista Dome right now, or Riverside?
Alright, the conductor just told me that there's a Riverside, should be this side, there's a Bighorn Sheep. Should be coming up pretty soon. There it is. Right under that bridge. It's kind of walking. Right over here. Right down there. Pretty cool. Check it out, Royal Gorge Bridge. It's the view from the bottom. Pretty sweet. That right there, these sawdust down there, and it would fill in the holes on the wooden water line. It's pretty cool. You can kind of see that into the train down there. It's about 1/4 mile long, and it weighs about 2 million pounds. So. There's a hanging bridge again. It's pretty cool. We're right underneath the Royal Gorge right now. So, it's pretty cool. Got done with all the lights. Check those ones out. Now let's turn off these lights and we'll see. That's pretty cool. And that's about it.